Welcome back to Grow My Savings. Most people manage money by looking at numbers, budgets, bills, and bank balances. But what if you started managing your money by looking at your vision instead? Vision-based finances mean using your money to build the life you actually want, not just survive from paycheck to paycheck. It's about aligning your financial goals with your personal dreams, values, and purpose. Today, we'll talk about how to create that vision, connect it to your finances, and start building a life that feels intentional, not accidental. Vision-based finances start with a simple question. What kind of life do I actually want to live? Not just how much should I save, or what should I invest in? But where do you want to spend your time? Who do you want to spend it with? What experiences do you want more of? When you know your why, your financial decisions become clearer. Money becomes a tool for purpose, not pressure. Instead of saving randomly, you're saving intentionally for freedom, family, creativity, or travel. And that makes every dollar feel more meaningful. Here's how to start building vision-based finances. Step 1, define your ideal life. Write down what your perfect day or week looks like, from morning to night. What do you do? Who are you with? Where are you living? Step 2, identify what that life costs. Dreams are free, but bringing them to life takes planning. Estimate how much your ideal lifestyle might cost monthly or yearly. Step 3, align your budget with that vision. Shift your spending toward what moves you closer to that dream and reduce what doesn't. If travel is part of your vision, maybe cut back on random shopping to fund your travel fund instead. Step 4, set milestone goals. Break your dream into small, trackable steps. Big goals feel achievable when you see progress month by month. When you connect your money to your purpose, everything changes. You feel motivated to save, not forced. You spend with joy, not guilt. You make choices that feel aligned, not random. That's the power of vision-based finances. It turns money from stress into strategy. And with every intentional choice, you're not just growing wealth, you're growing the life you dreamed of. So don't just manage money, design your life with it. Take time this week to imagine your future, write it down, and start aligning your finances to make it real. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If you found this inspiring, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to turn their money into a meaningful life.